Innovation drives productivity, and Malco Tools continues to deliver solutions that help pros work smarter, not harder. From advanced cutting attachments to ergonomic siding gauges, these new releases are designed to save time, reduce fatigue, and boost efficiency on the job site. Whether you're in HVAC, roofing, or sheet metal fabrication, Malco's latest lineup ensures you have the right tool for every task. Cut sheet metal faster, cleaner, and smarter with a tool built for professionals who demand precision and efficiency. The Malco TSPC1 TurboShear Rotary Panel Cutter transforms your cordless drill into a high-performance cutting machine, delivering smooth rotary cuts without the hassle of bulky equipment. Its self-advancing cutting head maintains a consistent feed rate, ensuring accuracy and reducing effort on every pass. Engineered to handle up to 22-gauge galvanized steel, it's durable enough for repeated use in demanding job site conditions. Compact and portable, it's perfect for contractors, HVAC technicians, metal fabricators, and serious DIYers who need reliable results on the go. From roofing panels to metal siding and fabrication projects, the TurboShear boosts productivity while maintaining clean, professional-grade cuts, making it an essential addition to any toolkit. Bend smarter, not harder, with a tool designed to deliver precision and comfort on every job. Malco's new and improved drip edge folding tools give sheet metal professionals and serious DIYers the leverage they need to work faster and more efficiently. Engineered for strength and durability, these high-performance tools make roofing panels and galvanized ductwork easier than ever. The updated ergonomic design reduces strain while ensuring consistent, accurate folds. Available in 16-inch, 18-inch, and 24-inch sizes, they're versatile enough to handle a wide range of applications. For best results, face the handle toward the finished side of the panel, bend until the tool bottoms out on the backside, and use it before or during installation. Built for reliability and ease, Malco's folding tools streamline workflow and deliver professional-grade results every time. Every job site demands efficiency, and Malco's caulk gun collection is built to deliver it. Designed for trade pros, these models combine durability, comfort, and versatility to handle the toughest sealing tasks. The CGC1 is engineered for cold environments in high-viscosity materials, ensuring smooth dispensing when conditions are less than ideal. Its rotating barrel makes hard-to-reach areas accessible, while the built-in puncture tool adds convenience and speed. For larger projects, the CGS1 kit offers unmatched versatility with switchable parts that allow you to dispense bulk sausage packs or cartridges, all with one tool. Lightweight yet rugged, Malco's caulk guns are crafted to reduce fatigue and maximize productivity, whether you're sealing ductwork, roofing, or general construction. Explore the full lineup and find the perfect model to match your workflow. Hanging lap siding just got faster, easier, and more precise. The Malco Adjustable Siding Gauge, SGA, is engineered to support one-person installation of most commercially available siding, including fiber cement and LP smart siding. Adjustable clamping holds material thicknesses from 5/16 inch to 1/2 inch firmly in place, while the adjustable reveal ensures perfect positioning from 4 to 8 inches. With 2 gauges included, you can support full 16-foot lengths of siding, streamlining workflow and reducing the need for extra hands on the job site. The ergonomic design enhances comfort, allowing installers to work quickly and efficiently all day long without added strain. Built for durability and convenience, this siding gauge is the right tool for professionals who demand accuracy, speed, and reliability. Simplify siding installation with a solution designed to deliver consistent, professional-grade results every time. Efficiency, strength, and precision are essential on every HVAC and sheet metal job, and this hammer delivers all three. Built from 18-ounce forged steel, is engineered for maximum impact and long-lasting durability in heavy-duty job site conditions. Each section is individually hardened and tempered, striking the perfect balance of toughness and flexibility. A built-in integrated slot allows you to bend all sizes of drive cleats with ease, reducing the number of tools you need to carry. The ergonomic comfort grip ensures superior control, whether you're taking full swings or making precise strikes while minimizing fatigue during extended use. Designed specifically for tinners, sheet metal pros, and HVAC technicians, this hammer streamlines workflow and boosts productivity. Upgrade your toolkit with a tool that combines power, precision, and performance in one professional-grade package. More solutions, more ways to work, more C-RHEX. Professionals know that speed and efficiency matter most when tackling fastening jobs, and this lineup delivers exactly that. Durable service kits keep your drivers organized and ready for action, while pro-grade premium grip handles provide unmatched comfort and control in demanding conditions. Flip bit plus handle sets add versatility, allowing quick changes that save time and reduce hassle on the job site. Built for reliability, each component is engineered to withstand heavy use while maintaining precision performance. Whether you're working in HVAC, sheet metal, or general construction, these tools streamline workflow and eliminate downtime. Smarter design means fewer interruptions, faster fastening, and greater productivity. With C-RHEX, you're equipped with solutions that adapt to every task, making your work not only easier, but better. The Malco FS1DS disc bender is designed to form consistent bends on sheet metal panels, making it an essential solution for roofing, flashing, and siding applications. Its disc-style design provides smooth, accurate bends without marring the material's surface, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance in demanding job site conditions. Compact and easy to handle, the FS1DS is perfect for pros who need reliable results on straight or curved panels. Pair it with Malco's bender connector for a modular setup that allows 1 or 2 station configurations, giving you flexibility to adapt to any project. Built for speed, accuracy, and convenience, this disc bender streamlines workflow and reduces fatigue, helping contractors and sheet metal professionals achieve professional-grade results every time. Fast, secure fastening is essential on every job site, and these tools are built to deliver. Malco tie tools are engineered for professional-grade performance, giving contractors and installers the strength, speed, and reliability they need when working with HVAC ductwork, sheet metal, and cable ties. Designed for repeated heavy use, each tool features rugged construction and smooth operation that reduces fatigue while ensuring consistent tension and secure ties every time. Compact and easy to handle, they're perfect for tight spaces and demanding applications where precision matters most. Whether you're bundling cables, fastening ductwork, or securing sheet metal connections, Malco tie tools streamline workflow and improve productivity. Built for durability and comfort, they provide the confidence that every tie is tight, clean, and professional, making them an indispensable addition to any pro's toolkit. Every job demands the right grip, and Malco's latest innovation delivers exactly that. The new Premium Grip Handle collection is engineered to match the way professionals work, combining comfort, control, and efficiency in one versatile lineup. Choose the compact handle for tight spaces where precision matters most, the standard handle for everyday fastening and cutting tasks, or the storage integrated handle for maximum efficiency with built-in convenience. Each handle is crafted with durable materials and an ergonomic design that reduces fatigue while enhancing performance even during extended use. Whether you're tackling HVAC installations, sheet metal projects, or demanding repair work, these handles provide the reliability and comfort pros expect from Malco. Built for versatility and designed for productivity, the Premium Grip Handle collection ensures you're always equipped for the task at hand. Cutting holes in sheet metal has never been faster, cleaner, or easier. Malco's sheet metal hole cutters install quickly into the chuck of any corded or cordless drill as small as 1/4 inch, 6.35 millimeters, transforming your drill into a precision cutting tool. Featuring distinctive gold standard impact cutter bits, durable bearings, and a rugged pivot pin, these cutters deliver long-lasting performance with smooth, accurate results. The lightweight aluminum frame makes them highly portable for on-site applications, including 20-gauge galvanized steel. The compact HC1 model adjusts for 2 to 12-inch diameter holes, while the larger HC2 model cuts 2 to 20-inch holes. Both include a combination English/metric gauge and share the same mill-type cutter bits and replacement parts. REACH/ROHS compliant and engineered for durability, Malco's hole cutters are the ultimate solution for sheet metal professionals. Longer, faster, and cleaner cuts are now within reach. Malco's long cut AVs bring added efficiency to the trusted AV snip product line, giving professionals the edge they need on demanding job sites. Designed with extended blades, these snips reduce cutting time and minimize fatigue, making them ideal for repetitive tasks in larger sheet metal projects. The hardened, forged steel jaws deliver exceptional strength and durability, ensuring long-lasting performance across a wide range of materials. Whether you're working with HVAC ductwork, roofing panels, or general sheet metal fabrication, these snips provide consistent precision with every cut. Built to withstand heavy use while maintaining comfort and control, the long-cut AVs are engineered for pros who demand speed without sacrificing quality. Upgrade your cutting tools with a solution that combines durability, efficiency, and professional-grade performance. Form bends exactly where you need them without waiting on wholesale roll formers. Malco's metal benders are engineered for on-site precision, giving pros the ability to create 0 to 100-degree bends on straight or curved panels of any length. Perfect for flashing, roofing details, standing seam, and exposed fastener metal roofing, these tools deliver speed and flexibility right at the job site. Narrow bearing stance models easily follow curved panels or form straight bends when required, while wide bearing stance models provide added control for straighter, more consistent results. For maximum versatility, pair either variation with the FSC1 bender connector to create a modular setup in 1 or 2 station configurations. Built for durability and efficiency, Malco's metal benders streamline workflow and empower contractors to bend smarter, faster, and with professional-grade accuracy every time. Cutting sheet metal cleanly and efficiently requires the right tool, and these cutters are built to deliver professional-grade results every time. The Malco FSC-UC and FSC-UC2 models are engineered for precision, durability, and ease of use, making them ideal for contractors, HVAC technicians, and sheet metal pros. Designed to handle demanding job site conditions, both cutters feature rugged construction and sharp cutting performance that reduces effort while maintaining accuracy. Compact and easy to handle, they're perfect for on-site applications where speed and reliability matter most. Whether you're trimming panels, cutting flashing, or working with roofing details, these cutters streamline workflow and minimize fatigue. Built to last and designed for versatility, the FSC-UC and FSC-UC2 are essential additions to any professional's toolkit, delivering clean, consistent cuts with the strength and control Malco is known for. Cutting siding and sheet metal requires precision, speed, and comfort, and this snip delivers all three. With sleek styling and offset handles, it's designed for versatility across a wide range of applications, from vinyl siding to aluminum, copper, and sheet metal. The streamlined head improves maneuverability, making it easy to cut tight material shapes, such as vinyl siding J-channel, while the full 3-inch cutting length ensures fast, straight shearing with minimal effort. Multiple handle openings accommodate different hand sizes, enhancing comfort and control during extended use. Built for pros, the replaceable blades can be swapped quickly in the field, keeping productivity high without downtime. Durable, ergonomic, and engineered for performance, this snip is the go-to solution for contractors and DIYers who demand clean, efficient cuts every time.
Versatility and speed are essential on every job site, and these drivers deliver both in a compact, professional-grade design. Engineered to keep 1/4-inch and 5/16-inch hex sizes always within reach, they eliminate the need to switch tools mid-installation, saving time and effort. The integrated sawtooth design sets them apart, cutting through soft and hardened HVAC and roofing sealant with ease to ensure rapid fastener removal. Built for durability, these drivers withstand repeated heavy use while maintaining precision performance. Compact enough to fit into tight spaces, yet rugged enough for demanding applications, they're the perfect solution for contractors, HVAC technicians, and roofing pros who need reliable fastening tools on hand. With unmatched convenience and cutting power, these drivers streamline workflow and boost productivity, making them a must-have addition to any professional toolkit. Work faster, work smarter, and achieve more with Malco's newest tools. Designed with pros in mind, this lineup proves that efficiency and performance go hand in hand. Add these 15 solutions to your arsenal and experience the difference that true innovation makes on every project.